In this video, let me show you how to copy and paste on your MacBook Neo. There's 3 ways on how you can do this. Way number 1 is to simply select the text using the trackpad. Let me just back up this camera so it's easier for you to see. So right now, I will simply press and drag my cursor so I select the text I highlighted. And then I'll go right above it, click with 2 fingers on the trackpad. This is a right click if you have a mouse. And from here, you're going to simply select copy. Go where you want to paste the text. Let's say I want to paste it down below or on another page, on another app. It doesn't matter. And you're going to do the same thing. Click with 2 fingers on the trackpad and select paste. So that was method number 1. Another way is, again, select your text using the cursor by pressing down and highlight it. You're going to go where it says edit on the top left corner. And then you're going to select copy. Again, go where you want to paste. Go again in edit and select paste. If you want to keep the same font, the same size of text where you paste it, paste and retain style. Another way how you can select your text. For example, if you want to select one word, you're going to simply double tap on the word with the cursor. And as you see, test over here is highlighted currently. If you want to select the whole sentence, you can triple tap on the sentence with the cursor. Okay, quickly, 1, 2, 3. And the whole sentence has been highlighted. So to copy this with the keyboard, you're going to press Command and then press on C once. Go where you want to paste the text. Press Command and then V. And now you have pasted the text there, and you can do it many times simply by keeping Command press and pressing V. And then select your text you want to copy, press C. So these were all the ways on how you can copy and paste on the MacBook Neo. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get some accessories that are compatible with this new MacBook Neo. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like.